In today's video, we will continue with our series on Microsoft Access database building using Dunder Mifflin as an example. Today's video will demonstrate how to create a query from multiple tables and include a formula to calculate a separate field. As you can see in our current query, we have price and quantity as available data points. Let's calculate a field in our query for profit using these two existing fields. We can start by choosing the query designer. From the designer screen, select the tables or queries that you want to include in your new query. In our example, we will select our existing query as it currently has both fields we want to use for calculation. Choose the fields you want included in the query. For our example, we will select the query fields which include quantity and price for our calculation. To start a formula in a new field in your query, select the next empty field and choose Builder on the top menu. The Formula Builder window will pop up and allow you to select the formula that you are looking to create. If you start typing the first name of the table or query that you are using, you will see it show up for selection on the menu. Once you click on it, choose a period to separate the table or query from the field that you want to use. In our example, we will select the quantity and price from the formula separated by an asterisk to represent a multiplication of the two values. Your calculated field will then be created with an automatic column name. You can change this to the desired value by changing everything to the left side of the colon on the formula line. Now let's run our new query to test the value of our calculation. From the first line, we can see a quantity of 2 multiplied by a price of 12 gives us a profit of 24. This validates that our formula is working properly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thank you for watching.